Welcome to ChatSerene. Today we will see how to set up WhatsApp business account in ChatSerene. So firstly you need to log in with your login credentials into the ChatSerene portal. Once you log in, you will see a setup WhatsApp icon on the dashboard, which on clicking will redirect you to a Facebook page in which you can log in with your current or existing Facebook account, or you can use another account to log in. And then you need to select the WhatsApp business account you need to link to and further review the permissions that you have given to your business account and wait for it to verify your details. Once verification is done, click on the finish button and then it will take some time to connect to your WhatsApp business account. Once it is connected, it will show you a notification in the upper right corner and check the number status as connected once you refresh it. After that, you can see there are some details which you need to fill up, such as business address, business email, business description, and choose the business industry that you belong to. Make sure you check all the details before clicking the save button. Now let's see how can we create a message template in the ChatSerene portal. You simply need to click on message template option in the left hand side menu and then click on create template button. Then we need to fill up necessary details regarding the template, such as name, category, language, and so on. The most important part of your template is the message body. So try to keep it clear and concise while ensuring that it fits within the character limit. As you type your message, you will see a real-time preview on the right side. This helps you visualize how the message will look when sent to your customers. You can personalize your messages by adding variables such as customer names or order details. After adding variables, you need to provide example values. This helps WhatsApp understand the context of your messages and improves the approval chances. You can also include a footer description which appears below the message. This is useful for adding disclaimers or additional details. Once you are satisfied with your template, click the Create Template button and your template will now be saved and appear in the list of templates. Initially, the status of your template will be shown as pending. To complete the process, click on Sync Template button to submit it for approval. Once approved, you can start using it immediately. And that's it. You have successfully set up WhatsApp and created a message template in ChatSerene. Now you are ready to engage with your customers more effectively. Thanks for watching and happy messaging.